Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con? I don't know if y'all can see or whether it's too dark. Rough, we're going to the link. It's 6:10. We're supposed to be there 6:30. Oh, I'm tired, man. Sayang!
Flash for camera.
Oh sure, start the camera when there are no lights. Perfect, babe. Okay, even though it's so early in the morning, it's so nice to drop the top. So you can put your elbow down so for stabilization. It's so nice to drop the top in the morning because it's so cooling. Right? It's so cooling. And kind of wakes you up. It helps quite a bit, and I've changed to the GT Sport S1 for a while now, and the immediate difference that I felt compared to my MC6 is that it's so comfortable. I'm actually looking forward to going to this drive with these new tires. Plus, it's so comfortable, but now I'm like, should I be co-driver more? Then I can sleep more. Then my car actually doesn't feel as rough over the bumps, because before this, when I go over bumps, it was very prominent as a driver and as a passenger, but now it's like I'm just so speechless. It's just that comfortable. And when I put the top up, which is barely, you know me, yeah, it's so quiet. It's so quiet. I'm really so impressed. So yeah, heading to the link. ETA 6:23, guys. Now it's 6:13. About 10 minutes to go. See you guys.
Extra with no.
Banks, bitch.
Number 88
Kaki. Wow, I'm so happy to see so many drop the tops. Got one here, got another one there. Wow. Okay, so all these cars are all the livery cars, and it's just super exciting. I mean, just look at all the liveries. Okay lah, this one all of you have to know what livery this is. So classic. Then we have Sabati here, and we have the Corrado that joined us last year with Kiss. Then we have Police Eyewear as well, San Nico, Red Bull. Alright, so you see all these cars here, the ones with Kiss, Cactus, Morning Kiss. Okay, so all these cars, which are 12 cars, all these 12 cars are carrying 12 brands, and all these 12 brands can buy minimum of 5 ringgit, spend minimum of 5 ringgit in the receipt on any of these 12 products. I'll flash it here and stand a chance to win X70. Yep, that's right. We have other participants here as well who are sticking their stickers, following the guide. It's going to be good. And this is the number guy. And I'm just excited. Oh, I dropped the top kaki. Hi, Jerome. Hello. Stickers. Get stickers, get your number, everything. Wow, drop the top. I'm so happy. So many kaki this year. This one got no top to drop.
This one.
Yeah, man. What the heck, way?
It's like, don't you feel like letting Lenny drive your car for a short distance?
So that I can come in, right? my god, this is crazy!
Suresh!
My
Beer
god!
inside here.
He's the man. He got beer inside there. Ah! Nana dropped the top! Oh my god. I love this car!
This? Bufori.
Oh my god!
Oh, I know some of you have not. Now, this is not about who knows best or anything. This is just a safety briefing for all of you to be very careful during your drive in Thailand. Now, Thailand road.
Alright guys, we are off. We just finished flag off at the link. Now it's empty and we're off to SPG Ipoh. Woo! Drop the top all the way. Kan?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Rain, shine, whatever.
Determination right there. Guys, check out behind the scenes. You got people sticking stuff out from the car. That is 0 to 100 and autobus. Thank you so much for your support! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Malaysia drop the top weather.
Wow, that's cool actually. Oh, what? 10? No, it's 10. These tires that I'm on, the Sport S1, they're so comfortable and so quiet. I mean, you can't even hear anything. It's that quiet. True Cortex rep. Will we stay dry? It is currently raining. That's right, it's raining. Are you dry?
I am dry.
I'm dry too. We're dry. We're in the drop the top with the Cortex wrap. We're dry. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, what's happening?
Let's quickly just stop at the side here.
Okay, it's getting a little bit too heavy, so cannot lah. Isn't that? So this year for Evo Enduro 2019, we are kicking it off on the 1st of August. That's pretty normal. What's different is you see livery cars running around on normal roads. Usually livery cars, they're just, you know, on track. But no, this year we have cars that are wrapped nicely, going around all the way to Phuket. And what's special about this year is also we'll be giving out an X70. That's right. So if you buy any of these 12 products, and you will see all these 12 products on these cars as well, with just a minimum spending of 5 ringgit, that's it. You stand a chance to win an X70. Go to here and you can find all the steps there, how to participate, what to do. All you have to do is spend 5 ringgit in order to be in the running for an X70. Yeah, I know the top is up, but it was raining lah. Heavy rain really cannot top down one. As much as I love to, but you really cannot see anything. It's just bad. Safety is first. So gonna top down in a bit. I'm gonna arrive at SPG Ipoh, where we're gonna have breakfast.
Okay, gotta do it again.
Breakfast, I mean lunch. To me, it's breakfast. Why? Sayang, I'm rolling.
Is it? Now there's 2 point of view.
You're gonna edit for me, is it?
Whoa.
You're gonna edit for me, is it?
Whoa.
You're going to buy me more memory space, is it?
Whoa.
And just say girlfriends all the time.
Whoa. 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 I think I'm in trouble. Oh, you just arrived only, yeah? Yes, babe.
Slow. I thought you were in front of
I
us.
thought so too. I was like,
Megan also just like
see our Mr.
Miata got
is better.
power one.
Oh, Miata, power. I think I'm in trouble again.
Woohoo! We are at STG. Everyone rolling in. He's wearing earphones because he cannot stand the sound of his exhaust. Woo! Wow, all these power cars coming in. And that right there, the mini cabriolet here. Wow! Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, soft. Oh, yes. Wow, it's cool. This place is nice. Drop the top! Woohoo! Yay! Drop the top! Woo! Oh! Drop the top! All these kaki. Woo! Yay! Woo! Singapore drop the top! Woo! Drive safe! Drive safe! Got your Thai immigration card, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Bye! Drive safe! Bye! Drop the top! So after STD Evo, I obviously had some very nice sleep, and now it's my turn behind the wheel. And I don't know what's wrong with my baby, but the jet engine light is on. It's been on for a few hours now, so I really don't know what to do. Maybe I'll handle it when I go to Thailand, but yeah. So we are entering Thailand now in our Thailand shirts that everyone's so jealous of. Thank you so much to the guys from Thailand during Trafa that sold us this shirt. So nice, we love them, and everyone else is so jealous. That's the plan. Okay, entering the Thailand side now. Woohoo!
Holiday, celebrate.
We just crossed. Actually, we are in between borders. It's a tense situation.
Dun, 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 dun.
We are at the border. We might not go in. We have a situation here. We don't have the forms.
Also, it's very confusing. Is it 7:30 or 8:30?
It's 6:30. It's 6:30. Not time now. You minus 1 hour. Alright, now I'm confused.
Exactly, I say it's confusing
What
time.
time? No, but it's 6:30. I don't know. The Argentine has been held back at the border, so now it is 7 PM. Our dinner is at 8 PM Thai time. So I have about 1 hour to make it to the hotel, which is impossible because we need about 2.5 hours to get there. My car cannot zoom that fast, so yes. And I'm the only one from the team who's gonna go there right now. Everyone else is still stuck at the border. Documentation issues. So yes, we're in Thailand.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
ค่ะค่ะค่ะ
Thai massage
Thai massage
คุกคริงครบ
Woo!
ผัดไทย
What
ต้ม
else?
ยำกุ้ง
What else? 7-Eleven. I just saw there's 7-Eleven.
McDonald's.
Amazon
Ninja
Cafe.
Burger. 555 is ha ha ha.
2.5 hours starting from now. Bye.
Bye.
Man, this kind of place like some movie, you know. Not gonna say what movie, but it's kind of creepy, guys.
Stop talking about it.
What this? Oh my god. This is Tri-Fi all over again. But higher difficulty cause at night. Why do I have this accent? Why?
What accent is this?
I have no clue. I'm missing my Baya friends. Really? For 9.7 km. I think my Miata was jealous because it didn't get to go off-roading. It was like, I have stock height. Why didn't I get to go through this, huh? See. Okay. Oh, go back to office.
Top up?
Yeah, top up. everyone's so nice. Everyone's like, okay, what happened? No, and then so friendly. Ah, so nice. So this is what we missed. Seems like they had a party. Oh, so nice. We have arrived. Long, tiring day. What time is it? It's 11, so it's 10 time. And we just got our room key. And all these motherfuckers were here earlier than us. Because they're smart. Going into our room. We are at CC Resort and this is how the room looks. It's actually very nice. I mean, it's very presentable. I like the shade of blue right here. Wah, kaya macam got stain here. Nope, it's good. They made the towels into lovebirds. So cute. Very nicely arranged. I like that there are PowerPoints on both sides, although it's not universal, so you need your adapters. TV mounted on the ceiling, and then yes, this little table here to put stuff. Very nice combination of the ocean. You can tell it's a very beachside kind of resort. Very big mirror, very nice. Everything also they got like pattern. Then you come here, this is my favorite. Check out the shower. The shower is so nice. Woodenish. Feel like sauna like that, right? So beautiful. And yeah, actually very big bathroom and toilet and mirror again. Are these fake lah, of course. Yeah, see? So a little tinge of tradition right here. And yeah, this is CC Resort in Satun, Thailand. Sawadika! Winding down from the first day of Evo Enduro, and it's been so great. I mean, this year the group, the people, they're so, I think they're so amazing because it's only been the first day, but everyone is just so happy with each other, so friendly, so supportive, and everyone's just here to have a good time. And it's the best thing because the Horizon team got stuck at the border, so we got held back a bit due to some document complications. So yeah, me and Leonard, we made our way here first because we thought we could catch everyone for the dinner, but we couldn't. But everyone went on with the dinner. Everyone had a good time, got to know each other. And yeah, when we came, everyone was asking whether we were okay, how are things. And it's just a very nice feeling, you know. And everyone that we didn't know 24 hours ago now feels like, hey, we're in this together. And that's such a great feeling. Everyone is just, it's just nice, you know. We were all in 7-Eleven, everyone is just talking, just getting to know each other. And yeah, it feels good. I can't wait to see what day 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 entails, but I know it's gonna be good. I can't wait. It's gonna be so good. Bye. Woo! Good guys.